Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the NAT type on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and click on your Windows Start button over here and to look for Control Panel, all right? Click on it, then choose or click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Then change adapter settings. Over here, you need to locate your internet. Over here, it could be Wi-Fi or your main internet connection. Right click over here, click on Properties. Then locate Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Then select Properties. Now, we actually need to enter your own IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. So click on this, use the following IP address, and how you can actually determine your IP address. You can click on the Windows Start button, type CMD, choose or run this as the admin. Now you just need to uh, run this command ipconfig and then hit enter. It will actually show all of the information for your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. So make sure to have this on handy or on your second monitor. So you just need to enter your IP address first. For example, it could be 19 something like 192, and then proceed with the rest. And then subnet mask could be 555 and then 555, 5550. And then default gateway, same. It really depends on what you have here on your result. Enter everything. And once done here on the preferred DNS server, type 88888844. Then hit OK and you are done with this part. Now close everything, go back here on your Windows Start button, and then look for Internet Options, this one. Click on it, go to the Advanced tab, and then just click on Restore Advanced Settings. And then click on Apply, and then OK. Once done, I want you to reboot your laptop or PC. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.